Understanding Permit Required, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, permit required. Whether you're a beginner or advanced learner, understanding this phrase is crucial in various contexts. So, let's dive in. Permit required is a phrase you might encounter in many situations. It means that an official permission or authorization is necessary to do something or to enter a certain place. This permission is usually given by a government or an organization in the form of a document, known as a permit. 1. Driving a vehicle. To drive a car, you need a driving permit or license. 2. Building construction. If you want to construct or modify a building, a construction permit is often required. 3. Organizing events. Large public events may require a special permit for legal and safety reasons. Asking about permission. Is a permit required to park here? Giving instructions. Please note, a permit is required for fishing in this lake. In signs and notices, permit required for entry. Permit versus permission. Though similar, a permit is usually a formal document, while permission can be informal or verbal. Not always about law. Sometimes, permit required might refer to rules of a private organization, not just legal requirements. Understanding the phrase, permit required, is essential for navigating various situations in English-speaking environments. We hope this video has helped clarify its meaning and usage. Stay curious, keep learning, and see you in our next video.